Welcome back to the Cave of Science, and today we're going to look at how to calculate molar masses. Molar mass is the sum of the mass of all the atoms in 1 mole of a substance, and it's usually expressed as grams per mole. And there's really three rules, if you will, steps to do this. You start with whatever the formula is, find the atomic mass of each element in that formula from the periodic table, and then add the masses together for each element. Now, if an element happens to have a subscript, multiply the atomic mass by that subscript. So let's take a look at a couple of examples here. And the first one we're going to look at, we'll just make it a simple one. We'll go with sodium chloride, NaCl. And so if we look from our periodic table, we can find that sodium has an atomic mass of 22.99. And we've only got one, so that one's going to work pretty easily. And chlorine has an atomic mass of 35.45. So if I were to add those two together, we would get sodium chloride has an atomic mass of 22.99 plus 35.45, and that equals 58.44. 58.44, and it's going to be grams per mole. And we've got 4 sig figs, or 4 sig figs. Our answer will be in 4 sig figs. So that one was pretty straightforward there. No subscripts at all. All right, let's go on down to another one. And if I can get this to move down, there we go. Let's look at carbon dioxide, CO2. So we'll go again to our periodic table, and we'll find that carbon has an atomic mass of 12.01. Oxygen has an atomic mass, it's like 15.999. We're going to round that up to a 16. So 16.00. But notice we have a subscript of 2 with the oxygen, so we'll multiply that by 2. So carbon only has 1, so we got 12.01. Oxygen is 16 times 2, so that's going to be 32.00. So we can add those two together, and we got 1044. And so we can see the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44.01 grams per mole. All right, let's look at one more. C3H8. So we've got how many carbons we have. So carbon is 12.01, and we have 3 of those, and I'm going to put that in parentheses here. So that'll give us 36.03. Hydrogen has an atomic mass of 1.008, and there's 8 of them. So if we multiply that out, 1.008 times 8, that equals 8.064. So if we were to add that together, that gives us a total of 44.094. And it looks like we've got sig figs here. Looks like we've got 4 and 4. We've got 5 there. So that would be approximately 44.09. And that, again, is going to be grams per mole. So the big takeaway is you can find the mass of any element on the periodic table. And then remember, if you have a subscript, to go ahead and multiply that mass by the subscript and then add everything together. So, till next time.